Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to be working on a 2013 Nissan Leaf. This is an all-electric vehicle. One of the questions I had is how do you know that this battery, the 12-volt battery on board, is being charged? Because there's no alternator on these vehicles. What they do have is a DC to DC converter that steps the high voltage down to the low voltage needed to charge this battery. This battery is what powers up all the 12-volt systems in your vehicle, the headlights, the radio, and so forth. So I'm going to show you real quickly on how to do that. With the vehicle off, you're going to take your multimeter, you're going to turn it on, and you're going to go to 20 volts DC on your meter. Once you've done that, you're going to take your black probe and put it on the negative side of the battery, and the red probe and put it on the positive side of the battery, and you should get about 12 volts, and that's what I'm getting here. So that's telling us that we have full 12 volts in this battery. Now, to find out if it's charging, we're going to need to turn the vehicle on. This one does not start like a conventional engine. We're going to turn it on. It's going to kind of cycle through its little systems, and then it will be on. So let's go ahead and turn the car on. All right, so the vehicle is on now. So if we do the same thing, take our black probe and put it on the negative side, and our red and put it on the positive side, and now it's going to be reading over 14 volts, 14.32 volts. So that's telling us that the DC to DC converter is charging this battery in the vehicle. So it's that simple. It's no different than a gasoline engine. You just want to make sure that you're getting at least the 14 volts from the alternator or the DC to DC converter. Well, that's how you test the battery on a 2013 Nissan Leaf. I hope this helps you. Stay tuned for the next one.